Fans, friends, and family. My helper out here, 2020, Moto 125. Took her for the first test ride, running pretty good. Get it all cleaned up, get ready for a future customer out here, y'all. 2 days before Christmas. Could be one satisfied customer. Keep it going, baby. Oh yeah, y'all. We out here, baby. Murray Mini Motors bringing these dead bikes back to life. Give y'all a couple photos after it gets done and cleaned up. So stay tuned and locked in. Merry Christmas, happy holidays to all of y'all, baby. 2023, December 23.
The back tire.
Yep, get the back tire too, the whole bike, y'all. Y'all stay tuned and locked in. Peace.